Good morning, Year 10. Welcome to question 3. Okay, the keywords here, compound interest, that's 3.5%, 2 years, and an initial investment of 2,500. So this is a multiplier question where you need to find the multiplier of a 3.5% increase. You do that by adding 3.5% to 100%. And this gives you a multiplier that is the equivalent of 1.035. Now we need to multiply our initial investment by our multiplier. So this would give us a 3.5% increase, but we want to do that twice because we have 2 years. So we're going to multiply it again, which is why we put the squared sign there. And when we do this, we come out with the number you see on the screen. Now we're going to round this to the nearest 1 pence, because 1p is the smallest unit of money, and it's important that we think about the context of the question. It's money, so we round to the smallest unit. There were quite a few errors concerning rounding with these questions, rounding to 1 dp to get 10p, or rounding to 3 significant figures to get 2,680.